You can see these storms and bands across the planet. You can see a lot of the moons just hovering around the rings around Neptune. And then you see Triton, which is this really bright star that's off to the side of the planet. And as with the Hubble Space Telescope, you can expect that we're going to see images of each of the planets that Webb is able to see every year. And that will allow astronomers to be able to track changes to the surface of these planets, see storms growing, see the effects of different seasons, how they change the nature of the atmosphere on these planets. Over time, we'll get a much better understanding of how these planets change from year to year. But not just planets, we got some images of some moons. And in this image, you're looking at Enceladus, which is this icy moon of Saturn, known for the geysers that are spraying water ice out into space. We've only seen images of the geysers from the Cassini spacecraft, which was orbiting around Saturn and its moons. But Webb is powerful enough to detect the presence of these geysers from this enormous distance. Astronomers measured the size of these plumes and found that they extend about 10,000 kilometers into space. And from what they can tell, they're throwing about 300 liters a second of water into space. That's enough to fill an Olympic swimming pool in a couple of hours. The hope was that Webb would be able to see some of the other molecules that were detected by Cassini, the presence of hydrogen gas in the plumes or various organic molecules. And so unfortunately, with this set of observations, Webb was unable to see it. But we'll see over time, with more observations year after year, we may get those more sensitive signals starting to come out of this data.